On the Ickonic Connect, the news show this week, a lot of questions about the alleged bioweapon virus. John Kerry, the climate czar in the United States, is targeting farmers just like they are in the Netherlands. And of course, it's a global agenda, so it's happening everywhere. And it's to control food, thus control people, by reducing supply. And Justin Trudeau has been practicing, let me get this right, 2SLGBTQI+. And what he's found is if you say it quick, it rolls off the tongue. Have a look.
It's scary to see what's happening in the United States, whether it's 2SLGBTQI+ rights that are constantly being attacked. My government will never let it happen. My government will always stand up unequivocally for women's rights, for 2SLGBTQI+ rights.
That's the Connect the News Show on Ickonic from 7 o'clock every Friday. And you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.